In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove TurboTax error 7001. Encountering this error can be quite frustrating, especially when you're trying to handle your taxes efficiently. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step so you can resolve the issue and get back to filing in no time. First, you'll want to start by visiting the TurboTax official website. This is your go-to source for everything related to TurboTax, and it's a great starting point for resolving any issues you might be facing with the software. Open up your web browser and type in the TurboTax URL, or simply search for TurboTax in your preferred search engine and click on the official link. Once the site's homepage loads up, you'll know you're in the right place. Now that you're on the official TurboTax site, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find various helpful links. What you're looking for here is the Contact Us link. It's usually found in the site's footer alongside other links related to support, services, and company information. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to their customer support section. Once you're in the TurboTax customer support area, it's time to connect with their team. There should be another Contact Us button that's more prominent now, possibly in a different section of the support page. You'll want to click this button to get started on resolving your error issue. This section is designed specifically to help you reach out to TurboTax support representatives who can assist with a variety of issues, including error codes like 7 and 1. By navigating through these steps, you're setting up a direct line to TurboTax's support team. The representatives will be able to guide you through the troubleshooting process for error 7001 specifically. They have all the resources at their disposal to address your issue effectively, whether it involves a step-by-step fix or even more in-depth technical help. It's essential to have the relevant information on hand when you contact support. This means having your TurboTax account details, any specific error messages you've encountered, and a brief description of what you were doing when the error occurred. This information will help the support team diagnose the issue more efficiently and provide you with a resolution faster. Remember, errors can arise for various reasons, from software glitches to internet connectivity problems, or even updates pending installation. While following these steps should put you on the right path to resolving TurboTax error 7001, always keep your software updated to the latest version and maintain a stable internet connection to minimize such issues. That's it. By accessing the TurboTax official site and navigating to their contact page, you are well prepared to resolve any issues with TurboTax error 7001 with the help of their dedicated support team. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your tax filing.